don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow. So we're gonna get right into it. I got this little bob from Amazon. Super cute, a little hard to install because it's a T part, but so right now, before I dye the hair, I wanted to make sure it didn't get on the lace, and this is my first time trying this trick, so let's see what happens. It's just got to be spray. These are the two rinses I use because apparently if you mix these two together, it gives you really, really jet black hair. I seen it on TikTok, so I want to see if it was true. So let's see. So I poured about half of each color in and I'm mixing it in. I actually got a brush today, y'all. I'm trying to be professional because y'all know me. I'll use a comb in a minute. Ghetto. I'll use anything that's around actually. But you know, we trying to be better out here some days. Don't get used to it because I'm pretty sure I lost that. So to check the color, you can dip paper towel in, and the color that's on there is the color that your hair should come out to be. So I wanted it a little darker because I feel like it was giving more blue and I wanted to give more black. So I put more black in there. Mixing it up. So yes, so now I'm just dipping the hair and trying to make sure that each piece gets on the rinse, the rinse, not the dye. So just keep dipping it and dipping it. Make sure your water is really hot too, or else it's not gonna work. So I'm just dipping and zipping, make sure it gets everywhere. But it was really hot, so I couldn't like really put my hand in there. I might have made this too hot, but it is what it is. So I'll be back to show you guys the results. So this is how it came out. I can already see that this is really, 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 really dark. I love jet black hair, y'all. Like, the darker, the better. And let me show you guys the lace to show you that I didn't get anything on my lace, so maybe it gives. So this is me putting the wig on finally. And I really didn't know what I wanted to do with it. Look at me being annoying. I'm pretty sure I was on the phone though. I didn't know what I wanted to do with the hair, so I just wanted to straighten it first. So yeah, just watch me flat iron my hair. This is the protective heat protectant that I use. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really not the best at pressing out my wigs or my hair. I'm really gonna try to get better at it. I don't really know what I'm doing wrong. So if you have any tips, please leave them in the comments because I really don't know. I used to think it was a flat iron I was using, but it's not, it's me. So, because this is a newer flat iron and I would say it's coming out exactly how the old one used to. So I don't know what I'm not doing right. But honestly, I was never good at pressing out my hair or my wigs, like ever. And this whole time I thought it was flat irons, but this is apparently a really good flat iron. Like my best friend that's in hair school, or I should say beauty school, she told me to get this flat iron. So, and when she presses out hair, it eats, you know? So I know it's definitely me. Also using the Chi heat protectant. I'll have everything in my description per usual. Oh my god, y'all, guess what? I'm dropping a new song this month. Finally, right? It comes out March 25th, so make sure you are subscribed and follow me on Instagram so you know you could be up to date. I'm so excited. I'm so scared, but I'm so excited. You know, it's been almost 2 years since I dropped music. Isn't that freaking nuts? But life's been ghetto. But life, you know, I'm here, so that is a plus. Can you guys see how dark this is? Like, girl, I hope you guys could see. So once I pressed out all the hair, I was kind of like, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna just like bump the ends and call it a day? I really, not looking back at it, I really should have just like trimmed the ends, gave like a blunt look. But then I said, you know what? I'm gonna give the girls bangs because I haven't done bangs in a really long time, and I've never done bangs on a short wig. So I said, why not? So now watch me attempt to do some bangs because honestly, I didn't know what I was doing. But that is, you know, me in a nutshell. I like just try anything because what's the worst that can happen? It's gonna look ugly. Okay, I'll just take it off. Like, it's just a wig, it's just hair. Ain't that deep. Did you see my highlight eating? Wow. Period. It's giving glazed donut. So this is what the bangs kind of sort of turned out to be. And yeah. Y'all, so I'm back. I was not expecting for this bang to come out this way, but it's just giving me so much trouble. Like, it's really not giving what it's supposed to give. But this video was more about, you know, getting your hair jet black. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I will post pictures so you could see how dark it really is. Matter of fact, let me see. Maybe. Like, can you see how jet black this is? Like, I love how it came out. I just didn't expect this bang to be so thick. Like, I kind of messed that up. And not that it looks bad, it's just not my vibe anymore. But thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys learned something new. Make sure you check out all of my other hair videos. The link to this wig will be down in my description as always. Make sure you guys follow me on all social media platforms. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Boy, I don't know.